What's up, guys? My name is Sebastian Stratman. Hope you guys are having a great day and continue having one. This is my 4th gen 4Runner, my wife and my husky. Today, I'm actually going to be making Frito pie in southern Utah, right next to some red rocks, right on a little cliff face. It's not a giant cliff, but it's good enough to see all these kind of beautiful rocks and fall trees and everything like that. So I'm pretty excited to go for it, and we actually found a kind of designated overlanding spot. Even has a fire pit. I'm not gonna be making a fire to this video. I don't really need one. It's a nice like 70, probably 70 degrees out here, 65 maybe, but I'm gonna get right to it. Today, for Frito pie, I brought quite a smorgasbord of stuff. Lettuce, obviously. I don't know if you guys have ever had Frito pie, but if you haven't, this is a good time. Some avocado. I got 2 different kinds of chili, just because I didn't know how much I'd actually need. Cheese, obviously Fritos for 2 people. Some garlic salt, some onion, some salsa, and some very juicy tomatoes. I'm very excited for those. I'm gonna get started here and start firing up the Coleman. The first plan of action is warming up the chili. I'm gonna try this Yellowstone stuff first, see if that is enough. I think it will be. I have 2 relatively smaller pans. I'm gonna use this one to heat up the actual chili. I think that is all the chili we're gonna need. I'm not gonna crack open the extra one in case I actually really do. As for the Fritos, we're gonna kind of stick them around this pan, just kind of layer it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and throw some cheese on it, put the beans and the chili over it, and then we're gonna layer it one more time with Fritos, and then if I have enough chili, I'm gonna layer it one more time with chili, and then I'll put all the dressings like the onion, the tomatoes, and the avocado. So I just realized I made a mistake. I did not bring plates and I did not bring utensils, but I have a singular survival spoon and I do have obviously the pans. So we're most likely gonna be eating out of the pans. I think this is the truest way to eat Frito pie anyway. It's kind of one of those meals where, I don't know, it's kind of a hillbilly meal. And we're gonna be very hillbilly today, so it's gonna work out. Alrighty, the chili is done. So I'm gonna start pouring it over this, go from there. From there, I'm gonna have a little bit more cheese, because I like it cheesy, not gonna lie. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more Frito. Nothing crazy, but just so there's some extra crunch, because the chili is going to break down the Fritos underneath of it and make it kind of soft. Not super soft, we don't want super soft, but the top ones are gonna be the crunch. All right. I got it all finished up. Looks great. I am super excited about this. Megan has had this before, but she hasn't had my Frito pie before, so we'll see how it goes. All right. This is the first bite. I'm excited. Got all kinds of lettuce in there. Just about got everything. What do you think, Bandit? Good? You haven't tried it, but I'm assuming you think it's good. Alright guys, we're getting to the end of the video. I had to swap over to my phone because my GoPro died, so this is on my phone. Hopefully it looks okay. My setup today was quite interesting, but I am 4 hours away from where I normally live. I kind of borrowed some of my dad's stuff as well as some stuff I already brung because I wanted to come down here and camp. But you forget some things, and today was paper plates and utensils. However, it went okay. It was a super good meal, and I would totally make it again. And I plan to make it again, actually. I think that's one meal I will make back in northern Utah for sure. But I hope you guys have a great day and will continue having one. My name's Sebastian. That is my wife Megan and my husky Bandit. This is my 4Runner, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.